everyone, this is Sujata Bhattacharya, your gamer English teacher. Today, let us find the difference between a gerund and a participle. But before that, let us quickly understand what non-finite verbs are. Non-finite verbs are verbs that do not change with tense or subject. For example, if I say, I like to read books. Now, this to read is something or is a verb that doesn't change with tense. Therefore, it's a non-finite verb. Now, non-finite verbs are of three types: gerund, participle, and infinitive. So, gerund is a verb ending in ing, but it acts as a noun. For example, swimming is good for health. Now, when I say swimming is good for health, which means swimming is the name of an activity, alright? Therefore, it is a non-finite verb. What is a participle? Participle is a verb form which acts as an adjective. However, it describes a noun. For example, if I say, the crying baby was hungry. Now, the word crying describes the baby, which is a noun. Alright, and this is a participle. So here's a quick tip. ing word which ends or which acts as a noun is a gerund, and ing word which describes a noun is a participle, precisely present participle. This is all for today. I hope this is going to be helpful. Toodles!